He has had training at the famous National School for the Hearing Impaired. So he's going to translate for us for the hard of hearing for our introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like your consideration.
We would like your consideration
for the second half
of
our show. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
So we're going to sing some of our favorites for you. My God! I've been saved. Spinning, laughing, dancing to a favorite song. A little girl with nothing wrong is all alone. Eyes wide open, always hoping for the sun. And she'll sing a song to anyone that comes along. Fragile as a leaf in autumn, just falling to the ground, out of sound. Crooked little smile on her face tells a tale of grace that's all her own. Fragile as a leaf in autumn, just falling to the ground, without a sound. Spinning, laughing, dancing to her favorite song. Well, she's a little girl with nothing wrong, and she's all alone. A little girl with nothing wrong, and she's all alone. I forgot to tell you, actually, that song is about Maya. Our little girl with nothing wrong. So, Nisi and I just started to sing songs together. So this is our first song where we sing together. She has seen me changes. It ain't easy rearranging, and it gets harder as you get older, farther away as you get closer. I don't know the answer. Does it even matter? I'm wondering now. Ten years singing right out loud. like something out of a dream. I left years ago, yes, I remember screaming. Nobody laughing, all the good times getting harder to come by without weeping. Farther away as you get closer, I don't know the answer. Does it even matter? I'm wondering how. I waited till I saw the sun. Don't know why I didn't come. I left you by the house of fun. Don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. When I saw the break of day, wish that I could fly away. Instead of kneeling in the sand, but you'll be on my mind forever. Out across the endless sea, I would die in ecstasy. But I'll be a bag of bones, driving down the road alone. My heart is drenched in wine. You'll be on my mind forever. Something that you make me run. Don't know why I didn't come. I feel as empty as a drum. Don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. For our final number. This is called, well, it's going to be called I'll Love You Forever. It's our first original tune. And Denise wanted to print it out on the computer, but I said, no, it's been on a paper plate for a year. So now I think we're going to name it the Paper Plate Song.
Chip and Karen?
Chip and Karen, you want to do this with us? It's very jazzy, I'm telling you. It's amazing what you can put on a paper plate. Well, couldn't hurt. I love you forever, and you said, why? everywhere I see him. He doesn't know how much he moves me when I'm with him. When he walks into the room, I find I cannot breathe. But he sees only where he stumbles and falls down. Why? I'm the woman who loves you. And you say, why? I'm the woman who loves you. He looks at me like I should be some other place now. But all I want to be is near him. He makes me taste the moment sweet and delicious. But all I know is him. Empty words are